Google is gearing up to unveil the Pixel 10 series on August 22nd, and ahead of that official launch, leaks have already given us a pretty clear look at what to expect, including a live prototype, full specifications, and comparisons between the Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL. A prototype of the Pixel 10 Pro recently popped up on a Chinese auction site, showing the device in real-world images. Design-wise, it looks very similar to last year's Pixel 9 Pro, featuring the same signature oval-shaped metal camera island. There aren't many surprises visually, but this leak confirms that Google is sticking with a familiar design language for this generation. In terms of display, the Pixel 10 Pro is expected to come with a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED screen, offering a resolution of 1080 by 2856, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and an impressive 3000 nit peak brightness, easily one of the brightest displays Google has ever put in a Pixel device. Both the Pixel 10 Pro and the larger Pixel 10 Pro XL will be powered by Google's latest in-house chip, the Tensor G5, paired with 16 GB of RAM. The storage options for the Pro model include 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and even 1 TB, while the Pro XL will skip the 128 GB base model and start from 256 GB upwards. Camera hardware is where things get exciting. Both phones feature a triple camera setup on the back, a 50-megapiece primary sensor, a 48-megapiece of ultra-wide lens that also supports macro photography with a 2-centimeter focus distance, and a 48-megapiece of telemacro lens that allows macro shots at up to 10 centimeters. On the front, there's a high-resolution 42-megapiece selfie camera. This dual macro approach, using both the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, shows Google's focus on giving users more flexibility in close-up photography without sacrificing image quality. Battery performance should be solid, with the Pixel 10 Pro housing a 4870 mAh battery supporting 29-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. While it may not lead the pack in terms of charging speed, it should be more than capable of lasting a full day on a single charge. As expected, both models will ship with Android 16 out of the box, continuing Google's tradition of offering the latest software experience first on its own devices. So far, these leaks paint a picture of refinement rather than reinvention. While the design remains familiar, the upgrades in display brightness, RAM, macro photography, and storage capacity make the Pixel 10 Pro series a strong contender in the premium flagship space. And with that early hands-on prototype already out in the wild, it's clear that the countdown to August 20 just got a lot more exciting.